So, a team of 4 people is chosen at random from 6 men and 5 women. In how many ways can the team be chosen? Alright. Think about this. We're choosing a team. So, for argument's sake, Anne, Barry, Carl, and Derek. That's the same team as Derek, Carl, Barry, and Anne. The order in which they're picked doesn't matter. So does that mean we're using the C button or the P button? If you don't remember, it's whichever one has the lower value. Okay? So whichever one has the lower value. So, here's what we're going to do now. How many people do we have in total? 11 people. How many people do we have to choose? Huh? Shh. We're choosing 4 people. So what's the answer to this question, Oscar? Alright, go on.
6, C, 4.
Okay. Now, if you're only allowed to choose men, that'd be correct. But you're allowed to choose anybody. So in this case, it's 11. 11 choose 4, which is 330. Okay. Now the next one is you got to choose 2 men and 2 women. Keyword is and. So what does that mean automatically in your answer? You're gonna have a multiplication in your answer, okay? Because it says and. So how do you choose 2 men, lads? 6 choose 2. Women? Yeah. Alright. Alright guys. Now 6C2 multiplied by 5C2 is 150. Hard to keep the concentration today, lads. Now, let's go for the next one. One man and 3 women. Anybody? That one there, yeah? So 6C1 and 5360, right? Alright, we'll do one more. All women. What are we going for now? How many do you get to choose from? And then what happens then? 5C4 is how many? 5. Now, I did actually make one mistake here, believe it or not. Can anybody tell me, out of all 3 of my answers, there's a key word that I missed out on here. Can anybody tell me what it is? Probability. I should have divided every answer by the total number of ways. So this should be, so this answer for this is part 2, isn't it? This answer for part 2 should be over 330. And this answer here should also be over 330. So this answer here should be, well, it's a 2 over 11. And this answer here should be 1 over 66. So just remember the key words, alright? The key word is probability. So you have to divide it by the total number of combinations. Alright lads, you have 9 cards, okay? So you need the probability, alright? So the fact that you need the probability, you need to know how many combinations are possible. 9 choose 3 is 84. There's 84 possible combinations, okay? Now, what it says next is you're not allowed to draw the number 8. Well, that means you haven't got 9 to choose from. You only have 8 to choose from. So do 8 choose 3, which is, what's it, 56. And that's a possible total number of 56 out of 84, which is a reasonably tidy fraction of 2/3. Anybody get that? Just me and Ben, is it? Dream team. Big Mick, of course. Now, lads, find the probability that all 3 cards have odd numbers. Now that is difficult. Or is it? Alright guys, how many odd numbers do we have? So you're only allowed to choose odd cards. So what are the odd cards? 5 of them, choose 3. Okay. And that's 10. And then 10 over 84. Anybody? 5 over 42. Alright, I'll tell you what. Here's what you guys are going to do for the rest of them. You're going to do 7, 9. You're going to do 1. What else did I do? I just did 2 and 5, so. We'll give you 8. And 10. Woohoo!